Okay, I hope you will ready to listen it and watch it so that you can understand what is in the question. What is given here? There is this triangle ABC which circumscribe this circle with center O. Okay. Also, if it is circumscribed to the circle, then BD is given as 8 centimeter. CD is given as 6 centimeter. Also, the radius of the circle is given as 4 centimeter. Now, these three things are given and we have to find out the AC and AB side. That means we have to find out the measurement of AB and AC. Now, for doing this, what we have to do? First, we have to join this OC, OB, OA. Let's say these points are E and F. So, join EO and F. After joining these points, we have to write here construction, that is join we all know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay. So here also OD is perpendicular to BD, OF is perpendicular to AB, OE is perpendicular to AC. Because all of these are radius and AB, BC, AC are act as the tangents here. Okay. So now I will apply the area of triangle in DOC. What I will do, what I want to do, let me clear that if this is a triangle and this is the point inside the triangle and this triangle is divided in three parts, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, these three parts are 1, 2 and 3. So what I want to do, I just want to take out the area of triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3. After getting the areas, I will add that 1 plus 2 plus 3. After adding the area of these three triangles, I will get the area of the bigger triangle. And on second hand, just I want to solve the area for the second triangle, also means the bigger triangle. Then I will put the sum of these three triangles and the bigger triangles together, and from there I will find out the sides AB and AC. Okay, so let us see how I will do that. First of all, I want to apply a theorem here. Because CD is equal to EC, we have a theorem that from an external point, the length of tangents are equal. This theorem we have that from an external point, the length of tangents drawn are always equal. If it is 6, this must be 6. If it is 8, it must be 8. And if it is x, if we suppose AE as x, then it will be equal to AF, that is also x. Okay, so I'll have to write it here. Now I'm starting my solution. So CD is equal to EC is equal to 6 centimeter. BF is equal to BD is equal to 8 centimeter. Also, let AF or AE is equal to x, then AE is equal to AF is equal to x. And the reason is length of tangents drawn from an external point are always equal. Okay, length of tangents drawn from an external point are always equal. So now I will start doing the question. This is all about just the construction and the things which are given and which we have to find. Okay, now I am starting the that means 14, and OD is 4, right? So this will cancel out and the answer will be 28 centimeters square. Okay, so this is, let's say, number 1. Similarly, area of triangle COA. Triangle COA will be half into base. Now base is this AC and AC is x plus 6. So 6 plus x, and altitude is radius, that is 4. So into 4, this will cancel out. If I multiply inside the bracket, it will be 12 plus 2x. And this is equation number 2. In the same way, third triangle is left. So we'll have to find out the area of the third triangle. Now the third triangle is AOB. So area of triangle AOB is half into the base. So base is AB and AB is 8 plus x. So this is 8 plus x, and altitude again is 4 because radii of the same circle are always equal. That's why. So it is 4. Cancel out, multiply inside the bracket, you will get third equation. Okay, so now I'm having the areas of these smaller triangles. Now I'll add them and I'll get the area of ABC. Okay, so add equation 1, 2 and 3. If I add these 3, then I will get area of POC plus area of COA plus area of AOB is equal to 28 plus 12 plus 2x plus 16 plus 2x. So it will be equal to 16 plus 12 is again 28, 28 plus 28, that is 56, and 2x plus 2x is 4x, and if you want to take out the common here, you can now or later. So I will just leave it up to here. This is number 4th equation, and this is, if I add these 3 triangles, I will get the triangle ABC. So this will be area of triangle ABC. So this is very important equation here. Area of triangle ABC is now 56 plus 4x, but it is in the form of x, and I want to get the value of x. For getting the value of x, I want to make an equation. For making an equation, I have to find out some situation, right? So that's why I'm telling you, this is the area of triangle ABC by adding these 3 triangles. Now I will find out the area of triangle ABC by one more method, and that will be Heron's formula. We have already studied about this formula in your 9th class. So we'll find the area of triangle ABC again by Heron's formula, right? So if A, B and C are the 3 sides of triangle, so here the 3 sides are, this is the first one, A, B, C, that is 14 centimeter. B, let's say this is B, this is 6 plus x. And let's say this is C. So this is 8 plus x. So now after getting the sides, what we have done, what you used to do in your 9th class, we have to find out S, semi-perimeter, and the formula is A plus C, B plus C by 2. So this will be equal to 14 plus 6 plus x plus 8 plus x upon 2. Okay. So 14 plus 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 14, 28 plus 2x upon 2. You can take common. This is 14 plus x divided by 2. It will cancel out, and ultimately you will get s equal to 14 plus x. Now s is equal to 14 plus x. Now I will apply the Heron formula here. So area of triangle ABC is under root of, what is the formula? Tell me the formula which you have used in your 9th class. Yes, that is the S let's see what we will get. Under root of s is 14 plus x. 14 plus x minus a. A means again 14. 14 plus x is s minus b. B means 6 plus x. And this minus sign will change the sign of 6 as well as of x. So both the signs will be changed. So it will be minus 6 minus x. And the last will be 14 plus x minus, this is c. So minus 8 minus 6. So I have changed both the signs. Note it here, okay? You have to note it down. So 14 and 14 cancel out. X and x cancel out. X and x cancel out. So ultimately I am left with 14 plus x into x. 14 minus 6 is 8 and 14 minus 8 is 6. This is equation number 5. Right. So this is the area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula. This we have already find out earlier. But these are both are the areas of ABC, triangle ABC. So they must be equal. So what I am going to do here now, I will put them equal. So I will get an equation for x and then I will solve it and get the value of x. So from equation 5 and 6, 14 plus x into 8 into 6 is equal to 56 plus 4x. Okay, so I'm taking the common here. It will really helpful for you if you will not take the common and if you want to remove the square. So the question will be so complicated. The calculation will be so complicated. So it's better to take the common here, right? So I'm just writing it as 4 is common. This will be 14 plus x now. Now, because I want to remove the square root, so I'm doing here squaring on both sides. Squaring both sides. After squaring both sides, what we get? This will be 14 plus x into 8 into 6 equal to, this will be, because if I make the square of whole, so this will be 4 square and 14 plus x square. It will be like this. So now 14 plus x into 8 into 6 is 16 and 14 plus x whole square. Now can you observe something? Yes, definitely this will cancel out the whole bracket and 8 2s are 16 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, now the calculation will be easy. If I will not take the common here, the calculation will become so long. So I have to take the common. So 3x is now equal to 14 plus x, or 3x minus x is 14, right? And ultimately we get 2x equal to 14. This will cancel out and x is 7. Now this is the value of x here. X is 7, but I want to get the values of AB and AC. So what I have to do? I just have to put the value of x here and will get AB and AC, right? So AB is actually 8 plus x. So it will be 8 plus 7 and it will be 15 centimeter, right? And similarly AC is 6 plus x here and it will be 6 plus 7 and it is 13 centimeter. So these are the answers. So this is all about this question number 12. Little bit longer. The calculations are not so you understand it? Thank you.